Class, yesterday in previous video I've explained you problem based on moles of atoms. Now today we will discuss problem based on moles of molecules. Problem based on moles of molecules. We know that 1 mole of molecule is equal to gram molecular mass of a substance, which is equal to 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. These all three relations can be used to find out the number of molecules in a given mass of substance and also to calculate the mass of a given number of molecules. For that, atomic masses of elements which are required for the calculation of molecular mass are usually given with the problem. But we should also remember the atomic masses of common elements are self, because sometimes these are not given in the problem. So keeping these points in mind, we will now solve some problem based on the moles of molecules. The first sample problem is, what is the mass of each of that, like 1 mole of water and 1 mole of glucose? The first one is, we have to calculate the mass of 1 mole of water. Oh, already you know that 1 mole of water, to calculate the 1 mole of water means the mass of 1 mole of water. The mass of 1 mole of each one of the given substance will be equal to their respective molecular masses, which are expressed in grams. So let us do this. What is the mass of 1 mole of water? 1 mole of water, that is equal to molecular mass of water in grams. Molecular mass of H2 in grams. So it comes mass of hydrogen into 2 plus mass of oxygen. Mass of hydrogen 1 into 2 plus mass of oxygen is 16. So it become 1 2s are 2 plus 16. 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 grams. 18 grams. Now we have to calculate 1 mole of glucose, that is C6H12O6. 1 mole of glucose is equal to molecular mass of C6H12O6 in grams. So 1 mole of C6H12O6 is equal to molecular mass of C6H12O6 in grams. That will be mass of carbon into 6. 12 into 6 plus mass of hydrogen into 12 plus mass of oxygen into 6. Mass of oxygen into 6. It becomes 12 6 are 72 plus 12 1s are 12 plus 16 6 are 96. It becomes 180 grams. Right? Now another one is Sample problem 2. That is, convert 22 grams of carbon dioxide CO2 into moles. Here, the atomic masses of carbon is 12U and the atomic mass of oxygen is 16U. First of all, we will calculate the mass of 1 mole of carbon dioxide by using these values of atomic masses. So for that, 1 mole of carbon dioxide, that is molecular mass. Molecular mass of carbon dioxide in grams. So mass of carbon plus mass of oxygen into 2. Mass of carbon is 12. Mass of oxygen is 16 into 2. That is 12 plus 32. 16 twos are 32. And it becomes 44 grams. Now, when we talk about this gram molecular mass of substance, gram molecular mass of substance is also known as molar mass of substance. Now, we have calculated the molar mass of substance. Mass of substance is already given. So, using this simple formula, we can calculate number of moles of or molecules. So, number of moles of molecules. How? Mass of substance upon mass of substance and molar mass. Molar mass of substance. Now, mass of substance is what? Mass of substance is 22. And molar mass of substance is 44, which we have calculated. So, 22 upon 44 divided 22 ones are 22, 22 twos are 44. It will be 1 upon 2 and it will be 0.5 mole. In this way, we can calculate the number of moles of molecule by taking the formula mass of substance upon molar mass of substance. It means that 22 grams of carbon dioxide contains 0.5 mole of carbon dioxide. Now next, that is, what is a mass of 0.5 mole of water? In order to solve this, we have to calculate first the mass of 1 mole of water. 1 mole of water is equal to molecular mass of H2O in grams. 1 mole of water is equal to molecular mass of H2O in grams. H2O is water. So, how to calculate? The mass of 2H atom plus mass of oxygen atom. 2 into 1 plus mass of oxygen atom is 16. So 2 plus 16 is equal to 18 grams. Right, 18 grams. So what we have calculated? We have calculated this. This is mass of 1 mole of water. That is 18 grams. But what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of water. So already we know that mass of 1 mole of water, what is that? 18 grams, which we have calculated. But we have to calculate the mass of 0.5 moles of water, that will be 18 into 0.5 gram. Because we have to calculate the mass of 0.5 mole of water. So we will multiply 0.5 gram by 18. So it will be 9 grams. So we can say that mass of 0.5 mole of water is equal to 9 grams. Now one more example we will calculate. That is, what is the number of molecules in 0.25 moles of oxygen? For that we know 1 mole. 1 mole of oxygen contains, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. But we have to calculate that 0.25 mole of oxygen contains, what is the number of molecules in a 0.25 moles of oxygen? But already we know that 1 mole of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. But we have to calculate the number of molecules in 0.25 moles of oxygen. So for that we will write 0.25 mole of oxygen contains 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 into 0.25. It will become 1.505 into 10 raised to power 23. Just we will leave this 10 raised to power 23. We will multiply 6.022 into 0.25. So it become 1.505 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. It means that 0.25 mole of oxygen contains 1.505 into 10 raised to power 23 molecules. Thank you.